Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's make fast update on the crypto market as well. So 2 days ago we talked about this rally that has happened on the weekend because the Chinese leader Xi Jinping said about seizing of the blockchain technology, and that we should more use it in our common life, so in different spheres, in social sphere and banking sphere, everywhere. So we should pay attention to the blockchain. And that really has reversed the sentiment on the market in opposite direction, triggered the fast rally that has happened in the weekend. So market has jumped for 15% just in a few hours. But at the same time, in our recent video that we have published after this rally has happened, we call you to be careful with the judgment of this rally. By the many reasons, guys. So first of all, know that the politicians' words are not reliable, and they could tell today they could tell one thing, tomorrow they could say something absolutely different. So just take a look at the Donald Trump comments. This is first moment. Second moment, Xi Jinping talked about the blockchain, on the technology, but not on the Bitcoin in particular. Because you know that China develops its own cryptocurrency with the attempt to make it single in the territory of their country. Second, you know that China has blocked all crypto exchanges in the country, so no crypto exchanges is working there. And mining is also stands in not quite legal affair in the China, so we know that. So that the China is struggling with the bargain mining in the North China. It's not really simple situation around the mining as well. And here you're listening for a leader who call you to adopt the blockchain technology. So, well, for me it's really a bit not clear statement, at least, and I'm not sure that is enough to reverse situation on the market, because until before this statement, overall sentiment on the market was moderately bearish, because all hopes of the market participants, of the investors that were relying on common events, the backed starting trading, the adopting of the options on the Bitcoin market, so all of them have not led to real results the market were expecting to get. And that's why I have real doubts on this recent rally. And before I will talk about, yes, this is major reversal, market is coming higher, I need to check this rally and see how durable it will be. Whether this will be able to hold and will not be reversed by the opposite action within the week probably. So that's our major task. So if you have missed the taking of the long position here, don't be upset too much, because it's not clear yet whether this really will lead to the new spiral of the upward action on the Bitcoin market. My suggestion is that not necessarily this will happen. From the technical point of view, currently everything looks not really bad, at least in the first 3 sessions after the rally has been completed. Because market right now stands tight below the resistance, so we see the market hits the 30% resistance and daily overbought. This is actually a combination calls as the Jordan stretch pattern. Now market stands in a reasonable pullback, but at the same time, currently this pullback is not really very strong, and this is a good sign. So market shows some kind of the consolidation below the resistance. This is the bullish sign. But at the same time, if you will take a look at the 4-time frame chart here, we have important signal lines on the market. So take a look on this rally. Market has broken through the long-term trend. This is some kind of triangle action or something of that sort, but this is resistance. And market has broken it up. At the same time, guys, as you can see here, even with this top of this rally, market has not formed the bullish reversal swing, because you could see that the previous swing down right from this top to these lows is greater than the following step up, following swing up. So currently, despite this rally was the 15%, it's not enough yet to break the major tendency. So market has not broken the major bearish tendency of the low lows and low highs. That's important thing. Second thing is the trend line. So that is our indicator, kind of the indicator, because market has to stand and hold above this trend line to keep some bullish sentiment and to make possible further upward action. Final confirmation of the trend shifting we will get only if market will form the bullish reversal swing here, which we haven't got yet. On the hourly chart, guys, we have actually the triangle consolidation right at top. That keeps possible both scenarios. So from the one point of view, as you know, when the market forms narrowing swings, it makes possible as upward continuation with in the shape of the possible butterfly or something of that sort, with the upward continuation, as makes possible downward continuation as well. So we saw it many times already. So my initial suggestion was based on this A, B, C top pattern and expectation of the deeper downward action right at 618 support. And that is reasonable because we have actually bearish trend, and that is first significant downward action. That's why usually deep retracement happens here. Besides, we have no clear bullish patterns for taking the long position. Market still stands very close to the resistance and daily overbought. So in the current situation, as we have not very strong fundamental background, just the comments from the Xi Jinping, we previously have moderately bearish sentiment on the market. We did not see any real absolute breakout in the technology or something really very strong fundamental factor. And technically, this is first rally within the long-term bearish trend. My position is better to wait at least for a deep retracement, somewhere to the 618 support around 85 area. Second, I am not will be surprised too much if market will in general totally reverse this rally, because except the words of the Xi Jinping, we do not have anything else, and that makes me worry on this spike. So I am not ready yet to fall in the euphoria with the expectation of the really big rally in Bitcoin market.